I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Actions Salesflare. Give here the API key, so go to the Salesflare site. Click on the plus button and give a meaningful name. Create. Copy the API key and paste it here. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in action. You can use it by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now go to your Salesflare site. And you can see that the data came successfully in Salesflare. Thanks for watching.